Hello Math 20-1, welcome to 1.4 geometric series. Just like we had with arithmetic sequences, we now are going to talk about a geometric series and the sums of the terms of a geometric. But before we do that, we don't always take the time or make the time to show all the beautiful applications that math has and where math is, I suppose, present in nature and everything we do. And one of the things about sequences and series is that it is so present in so many things. And in this next section, I'd like you to take the time to watch a video. It's about 10 minutes long, so it sounds like a lot of time, but it's one of the most valuable things I think that we need to look at. So it's an incredible video about um, how math is really around us, and particularly fractals. And fractals are an amazing thing. And just to give you a quick little example, a fractal is simply an iteration or a repetition of some pattern. So for example, if you started with a feature like this, making a fractal might mean simply taking the midpoints of all the sides and continuing to do that in all the triangles that you created. So now you've created actually 1, 2, 3, 4 more triangles, and you could repeat this process within each of these triangles. So if you connect the midpoints of all the sides, you can see that you've now created more triangles, and you could keep doing this forever and ever wherever you see this, and you can imagine what a beautiful shape you would make. There are Koch snowflakes and so on. So completing this iteration create something called a fractal. I'd like you to watch the following video. It's coming. Here we go. Hey, good morning. Hey, well, Math 20-1s, as you can see, fractals are a work of art, and they are everywhere around us. And as you can hear, my Math 30-1s are coming into play. I would encourage you to finish watching this video, but we're definitely going to talk about it. I also would like us to take part in maybe a project involving you building your own fractal and making a work of art of your own. We'll talk about that in class. Please continue on with the rest of geometric series, but now you might just see them in terms of a new light. Math is no longer smooth. As you can see, in order to use math in meaningful ways, sometimes we just have to make it a little bit rougher and see the jagged edges and how it applies in nature.